Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa taquera. Roast 2-3 chilies and 1 onion until charred, then peel and cool briefly. Blend chilies, onion, 2 cloves garlic, a handful cilantro, juice of 1 lime, and 1 tsp salt until smooth but textured. Taste and adjust salt or lime, then serve immediately with warm corn tortillas and chopped onion and cilantro, and enjoy. Gather fresh, simple ingredients to keep the salsa bright and authentic. Pick 2-3 chilies and 1 jalapeno for controlled heat and a small white onion for sweetness. Add 2 cloves garlic, a handful cilantro, juice of 1 lime, and 1 tsp salt, plus a splash of water if needed. Toasting the chilies and garlic briefly deepens the flavor and brings out a warm, slightly smoky aroma. Use a hot pan or direct flame to char chilies and onion until blackened in spots, then let them steam briefly to loosen skins. Remove stems and most seeds, keeping a few if you want more kick. Toss unwanted seeds away. Pulse everything in the blender in short bursts so the salsa stays textured and not puree smooth, then taste and tweak salt or lime to balance the flavors for taco-ready salsa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.